Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect your Sony headphones to an iPhone. First, make sure your Sony headphones have enough battery life for a smooth connection. Next, activate the pairing mode on your headphones. This often involves pressing and holding the power or a dedicated pairing button until an indicator light flashes. Then, grab your iPhone, open the Settings application, and tap on the Bluetooth option. This prepares your iPhone to discover new devices. Once in the Bluetooth menu, toggle the Bluetooth switch to the on position if it isn't already. Your iPhone will then start scanning for discoverable devices. Look for your Sony headphones name in the Other Devices list and tap on it. Sometimes, a pairing request will pop up on your iPhone screen. Simply confirm it to finalize the connection. You're almost there. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Sony headphones and your iPhone can often resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, go back to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings, tap the I icon next to your headphone's name, and select Forget this device. Then try the pairing process again from the beginning. Also, confirm your headphones aren't already connected to another phone or tablet. After successfully connecting, consider downloading the Sony Headphones Connect app. This app unlocks advanced features like equalizer adjustments, noise cancellation settings, and more, allowing you to personalize your listening experience. Remember to keep your headphone firmware updated through the app for the best performance and new features. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your music!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.